Whenever we think of Indian breakfast specialties, we generally think of upma, poha, idli, dosa, parathas, chole bhatures and the likes. But seldom do we think of a very different core ingredient like a dalia. The recipe that I'm going to show you today is an upma but made with broken wheat. Dalia Upma. Let's begin. For the Dalia Upma, the core ingredient of course is dalia, which is broken wheat. It looks something like this. It's important to dry roast this to begin with. While this is getting fragrant and aromatic on the side and also getting that little nutty aroma, we'll start with the tempering in a kadhai. First things first is vegetable oil in a kadhai or a wok. Well, ensure while all of this is happening, do not turn a blind eye to the core ingredient, that's dalia. Very important. Let's add in desi ghee and allow this to just kind of begin heating up. The ghee has melted. Now before this heats up, it's important to add in chana dal and along with this urad dal. Let's stir this and allow this to just begin turning golden brown in color. Now this is a very important step. The oil or the ghee is not hot, it is still warm. And the moment you add this in, it gets that much more time to start turning golden brown in color. Very important because otherwise it'll get a bite towards the end and that bite will be a raw bite. Let's continue stirring this. The dalia is getting toasted and before turning golden brown in color, it'll become white. And that is the stage when you need to lower the flame because after this, the heat will be faster. Now this has also begun. It's begun getting that wonderful golden brown color. At this stage, let's add in mustard seeds, cumin seeds, Asafoetida or hing, green chilies and curry leaves. Time to add in cashew nuts as well and stir this till the cashew nuts get a nice golden brown color. Our dalia is also done and ready. Let's turn this flame off and transfer the dalia into this mixture. Along with this, I'm also adding in carrots and peas. These are uncooked carrots and these are blanched peas. Let's stir this well and allow the dalia to now get roasted in this mixture for at least 30 seconds on medium flame. The dalia has now roasted well. Let's scrape the sides and try to bring everything in the center. Time to add in the water now. Now how much water for this recipe? If you have 1 cup of dalia, we're going to add in 2 cups of water. Be very careful while adding water. You do not want to get scalded. To this, I'm also going to add in salt at this stage. A teaspoon or little lesser should be fine. Let's stir this well. Cover this and cook it on low flame for 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes and all the water or the moisture has evaporated. When I say evaporated, it has all gone into the broken wheat or dalia and it's become nice and plump. At this stage, off goes the flame and we're not going to open this. Allow this to just come down to room temperature or just allow the steam to settle. Let's wait for another 5 minutes. The steam has settled. Let's have a quick check. The dalia has become nice and plump. Let's stir this nicely. Time to add in 2 more ingredients, beginning with fresh coriander leaves, finely chopped, and along with this, freshly grated coconut. Let's mix this, and this goes straight on the serving plate. For the serving, I'm going to show you a very typical home-style trick here. What I'm going to do is take a bowl, add in a little bit of coriander and coconut at the bottom. Now you can initially add coriander, then add coconut. What I like to do is keep it next to each other rather than mix it all up. And then to this, I'm going to add in the upma, the Dalia Upma. Well, this way, there's also portion control while serving either in a restaurant or to the family. We press this with the back of a spoon or a ladle and make it nice and compact. The next step is to take the serving plate and upturn it on top of this bowl, and then upturn this like so. Very simple. Do not get and bang onto the plate. This is a very easy, simple trick. Carefully, we lift this bowl, and there you have the most amazing, simple, home-style plated upma. A few pieces of fried cashew nuts. With this, the most sumptuous, wholesome, nutritious Dalia Upma is done and ready. Make this for family, make this for friends, and let me know in the comment section below. Bye for now.